Well, yesterday ended up being kind of a cool day. We got up into the low 60s, but temperatures, most spots were in the upper 50s, right around 60 degrees. Actually, yesterday I was impressed by the record low for yesterday, 20 all the way down to 28 degrees yesterday. But actually it ended up being fairly chilly this morning, but not that cold, so it's good news. Unfortunately, it didn't really make a big difference in the pollen count. It's still sitting just in the low range there for trees, and no detectable grass or weed pollens at this point. But with the warm temperatures we're looking at today, expect those numbers to go up. In fact, we might see some grass pollens showing up after the warm temperatures we're expecting today. Great looking day from the get-go. It's from mid-morning. You can see looking out across the strait, nothing but sunshine out there and blue skies. A little bit of haze around this morning because we got a pretty good inversion from the cold temperatures we had this morning, and so it kind of trapped some of the pollution down in the lower layers as we often do, and then kind of mixes out as we finally get the ground warming up and the starts to rise a little bit and mix that into a deeper layer. No inversion though up there around Bellingham. You can see it's looking pretty nice right now, and right on cue, a boat heading out in the marina. It's going to be enjoying a really nice day out on the water today. It's going to feel an awful lot like summertime today. Checking out the shot there for the Columbia Tower camp's been really pretty. Had a little bit of patchy fog earlier today, but you can see the haze out there this morning though does give it that nice 3D effect looking out into the distance. So it's a beautiful shot looking out towards the Cascades, and a nice looking day in Tacoma. That morning haze set mid-morning still kind of showing up there, and you can see plenty of sunshine on Mount Rainier, which is still pretty snow covered, but you know, we are just at the 1st of May. Exactly 50 days from today, we will be at the solstice. So we're gradually working our way there, and the temperatures are kind of showing that when they cool off these days, rather than cooling back into the mid 50s, it's more like they're cooling off to the upper 50s and low 60s. So that's the trend we want as we head towards some summertime temperatures. Checking some of the lows this morning, they don't really make you think of summertime. In fact, it was really chilly down in the South Sound. Shelton dropped all the way down to 32 degrees this morning, 33 at one of the sites in Olympia. See quite a few places down into the 30s. A pretty cool air mass, and it was really clear overnight last night, so we lost a lot of heat going into the morning. But you can see by mid-morning, those temperatures really started to move up, and at that point we were anywhere from the mid 40s to right near 50 degrees, on our way to the upper 60s and low to mid 70s for most spots for the day today. Checking our first alert 7-day forecast, you can see today nice warm day out there. We'll see some places into the upper 70s today as well, but we cool a little bit tomorrow, and then not the best of timing for the opening day of boating season, with temperatures dropping back into the 50s for highs and seeing that chance of a few showers, especially when it rebounds immediately as we head into the 1st of next week and get back into warmer temperatures. Take a look at the computer model. You see exactly what's happening today. We have all the sunshine, basically no clouds, and we have offshore winds. You can see it going out through the strait and down through the Chehalis Gap out towards the coast, and some downslope winds there in the Cascades, all that contributing to warming things up. There's a chance that some of the downslope winds out here at some place might get up and touch 80 degrees potentially, but looks like mostly you're going to have to go down south of Olympia, down towards Vancouver if you're looking for that magical 80 degrees today. If we take a look, put that in motion, and then over the course of the day today, we see the offshore kind of turn onshore, and we get the more normal southerly winds there as that system approaches the coast. And as we head into early on Friday morning, still mostly cloud-free around Puget Sound, but those clouds roll in during the day. Then as we head towards tomorrow evening, we're going to be looking for that chance of showers to start moving in. And you see as we head towards Saturday morning, we've got those showers around Puget Sound, and then those are going to move on, and we'll just leave behind a few showers, mainly in the morning before we start to clear out. So if you're headed out for that official opening day of boating season with the Seattle Yacht Club, they've got the Windermere Cup races at 10 o'clock. It's going to be low to mid 50s. We'll have a few showers around. By noontime, it'll warm not very much, mostly into the mid 50s. May see some sun breaks by then, and then partly sunny as we head towards mid-afternoon as people are heading back home again, unfortunately, and that's going to be kind of a cool day. But take your rain gear with you. Again, as I always say, if you don't have to use it to keep the rain off you can always sit on it, because the ground probably will be a little on the wet side. So overall though, today though, beautiful day out there. Sunshine, high temperatures today, upper 60s and low to mid 70s, some upper 70s around the Sound in the warmest spots, and that 80-degree reading most likely down south of Olympia towards Vancouver. Tomorrow we'll start off with the sunshine, then the clouds will start to roll in, so partly sunny. Highs tomorrow tomorrow, dropping back to the upper 60s and low 70s. Those showers move in overnight Friday night. Just a few showers in the morning on Saturday, and then a little bit of clearing in the afternoon. Highs only getting into the mid to upper 50s on Saturday. We'll warm into the low to mid 60s with a little more sunshine on Sunday. And then we gradually warm as we head towards Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, back into the mid 70s by midweek. And we check the 6 to 10 day temperatures. You can see we warm back up again as we head on beyond that. So we're in that pattern where for a couple of warm days, then we cool off a little bit and then warm back up again. But again, that cooling is back to warmer, higher temperatures than what we've seen so far. But we are in May, and things will continue to work their way upward here over the next couple of weeks.